Let's go fishing.
Let's go fishing.
I'm on a mission.
I'm on a mission.
It's so pretty, I'd sure hate to waste this chance. We'll find a shady little spot, not too cool, not too high.
Raff Tanner Seabolt today just blew everybody away in the Old Timers tournament down in Okeechobee. Congratulations to these young men. They're pretty tough. I mean, they're tough. They're a tough pair to beat. But good times, man. Tough conditions. I mean, the fishing was tough, but still a lot of fish brought in. Like I said, man, a lot of fish brought in. These old boys can catch fish down here. William Bennon got second place with, he had about 8 pounds with some nice fish.
Versus the Charger stock.
Joe with a couple nice fish today at the Old Timers tournament.